Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix couldn't mount file. Sorry, there was a problem mounting the file. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control. Click and expand class. Click class key given by description. Delete lower and upper filters. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.